All right, good morning. So we are in Forest Hill, Maryland. Again, beautiful neighborhood, as you can see, as usual. We're doing a return client's home. They just want us to finish up the house. So she loved how the screen and recoat turned out. So we're back to finish the screen and recoat job that we had started a few weeks back. I did a video on that one. I'll put that in the description if you guys haven't been caught up. But yeah, she just wants us to come back and finish the house. Didn't need a sanding job. The wood is in actual good condition. So again, we're just doing a screen and recoat. All right, you guys, enjoy the show. And Angelic Folk here. We're out. See you later.